Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see, set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make a good platform. See? Now, you see in the early 90s, I'm have a brethren where I'm used to par with him. Heavy Dread, from Outer Rockford, Warwick Island, so Oliver Road side there. So. See? Now, I try to remember what the policeman name down at Rockford station, you know, boy, I can't remember, you know, see. I should ask a brethren. But you want to Heavy Dread now. A man shoot Heavy Dread without going into much details. See? A man shoot Heavy Dread a protest for some work. See? And a political activist shoot him. See? Now, the activist is the man with the whole that we grew up with and respect. You know, see? And love too. We were more disappointed than hateful but regarding the thing we're going, because again, there's a shot in him foot him get. Seeing so still as youth, we don't look on that as like so well then a man want to kill a man or not like that. You know, see? So we expect some level of compassion. Or, you know, we prepare for forgive the thing. The dread, prepare for forgive the thing long time from it happen. Because as a youth again, you get a one shot, it's like so well then it's a badge of honor thing in the street. You know, see it? So no nothing great way you gonna say. You have no great revenge, and nothing will put you in a hospital for no time or nothing like that. Because your foot never broke neither. You know, see it? Alright now. The judge got the station in the heat of the whole thing and I make a report. We do a go on because of him get shot. You know, see it? When him got a station, Rasta, you have a big man from out in the east there. Him come at the police station. With the police them as well. And I bad up the judge. Who you say shot you? Hey boy, a liar tell. Wait. Now you shot yourself. Hey, and I criminalize the dread. You get what I say? I bully the dread and I go on like them one. Lock him up further. Arrest him for the shot. Where him getting a him foot from a man. You see it? Anyway, the judge calm down and cool down and manage to walk out of the police station, back out, you know, and take away himself. He not done this, sir. Out the road, them want him, for real. They never want him in the jail. They only intimidate him for make him feel him stop talk. You know, see it? When the rascals up and do road and they are road and thing and, you know, I take time nurse him foot and I get him foot better. Every minute you hear a jeep come, flip around the corner, be a bull jump out. Yo, where the jet there? The man wanted for something where him get injured, you know, and him want police I look for him and I hunt him and I intimidate the rest of the community. Every youth from the corner where them say, be intimidation. You don't see it and I ask him, where the jet there? You don't see it. No. You find say, the jet starts stay wide. Him basically I live like a wanted man and him do nobody nothing Rasta. The whole PNP blood clot government and the police force, Rockford police, come down upon the man and I search the man and them have a statement about what go on, what reach him. You know see it? So the man have to take the bush feet Rasta and have to live a bush because police literally hunt him, you know. John Star. Me and the brethren used to par. My brother still. Like my brother. You know, see it? Cause my mother treat me like her son and feel brother them right now. You can't ask them anything else about me unless you ask them about them brother. You know, see it? Yeah. Straight. You know, see it? Rasta. One day the man arm himself. The judge don't have to align with other people now and arm himself certain way. See? And one day him see the man will shot him and shoot him back. And take away the man gun from him. The man will shoot him. Take away him gun. You know, see? The man dead still. Unfortunately. Really unfortunately. But make sure add that. You see, because I say, it's a man with the whole of we know. But again, under film influence, why the whole of this happen. And a kid, there is no lie in my story, you know, Rasta. The man get wanted for getting a shot. A man shoot him with an illegal gun. You know? And him go report it, and the wrongest thing that him ever do. I better if him did just go get wanted and go on back the man too. Because him life wouldn't get stirred up until him hurt the man there. You know, see it? Better if him did just wall it and wait till him see the man, him do what him have to do. Rather than try go to the police. You know, see it? And no one day no man never hear I come up here with no hate or no dissent regarding the JCF or the police in its entirety. You know, see it? Never. See? So, the brethren end up now wanted for real. Yeah, because, you know, a serious wanted this now. Because if the police them did so serious for defend them friend we shoot a man illegally. See? Just imagine how serious them is now. To catch that for hold a man there. Or if you abuse him, whatever rights he might have left as a human, totally diminished. You know, see? Anyway, wanted life and everything and the whole thing, you know, you just use the imagination. See, like, at least now, I never yet see the dread kill a man. I never did it when him kill no man. Yet, I'm a brethren. See, but me never did it when nothing like that go on. I can't promise you that. I won't believe. You know, because we're not business neither. You know, see? No. One day, because things get away now where you have some people where start take care of the rest. See? Like a man who come from foreign, a man who go foreign, a man who send from foreign and them way there and send a little thing for the rest. You know, see it, so the rest start get cleaner and cleaner, you know, and them like way there where man keep up himself. You know, tidy, because you don't know as a ghetto youth, where within and the struggle and every man for himself. You know, see it, you know, to have no help. See? So anyway, the rest start get tired, you know, and thing like that, and girls are like him off and all of them sort of thing there, and right. You know, see? So, it's like, him have like a schedule. You know, see it, with certain time, in the certain place, and thing like that. See? As a youth, I'm still youth, you know. See, you know, really mature in brain, mature to the point that when he can, you know, yeah, I'm still youth. See, I doubt if he will reach 920s yet, you know. Probably real early 20, if him did reach 920s yet. You know, see it? And one day now, oh, them catch him, because we make a long story short, you know, because we don't have a whole heap of date, we don't know the, you know, see it, yeah. You know, see it. One day, in bed, see him, because in bed and go in the house, go put some toothpaste on him toothbrush, and come back out. See, when him walk back out with a cup of water in him and him toothbrush in the other hand, a beer police and soldiers stand up in the yard, you know. You know, see it? So, the police and soldiers them are going like, cause them fit the bill and everything, obviously them never know him before. See? When him fit the bill, how them a look for. And them you know, them know I must him that. See? So it's like so now, cause be a little youth in the yard, you know. I play marble and think, couple little youth well in the yard. I play marble and them little thing there. You know, see? So when them come now, them juke down the youth them, and the youth them have them own story of abuse where them get from the police and so that they can use the imagination. But when I say youth, I mean youth 8, 9, and them little age there. You know, see? And when the rats come out now and them see him with them cup and them water in them hand, see? Them act like so well then, and I really him them a deal like them a watch for see if him or shoot it out with them. Or something like that. You know them done have him covered already, you know. You know, see it. Enough of them done have him covered. See, but them not approach him at the same time. It's like them literally a watch for see if him or shoot it out or something like that. See it? Cause the youth them a tell me say him freeze. They freeze with them cup of water and him toothbrush in him hand. See? Now police look at him and say, Rash, you look like somebody who we look fine, you know. See? That's him say to them, say, me, man. See? Them I say, yo. Them I say, yeah. See? That's him look at them and say, I have a gun for me still, you know. I have a little tutu for me still, you know. That's the boy them say, a tutu. And them say, yeah. And so, let me see it. And them say, no, you take it out. See, that the police go so, boop and reach in and take out the gun out of the man waist. See? Take it out from under him shirt and thing like that. And immediately, this I call tutu. Eh? And I saw them go on celebration. You know, see it? Torture. This I call tutu. Bloop, boop, boop. And bust it up in the sky, you know. Seeing? And just turn them gun upon the man Rasta. Seeing? And for show you the vengeance where them kill the man with after them shot him and him drop a ground. The man them go over him and, you know, bust out him head with them gun. With gunshot. Cause the end of the day, I tell you say, all after them take up him body and gone. Sure is another thing again about them. Them pick up him body and drive around the community with it on the Jeep front. Everybody say, I him that. And I him, you whatever, whatever, parading them see. You know, them sick state of mind, twisted state of mind. You see, because them sit there some nasty serial killing type of mentality, you know. And at them there, we have to live with in a Jamaica with our police them. You know, see, no, we say all after them moving body and gone, you don't know, a couple of we go up, they go look on the scene and thing like that. We still I see lax on the ground with skull upon it, you know. And then we a skull bone, you know. Each hand upon the lax them same way. See, you know, we have to pick them up and put them back in him coffin on funeral day. And all them type of thing there. You know, see? And the maddest thing now is that the youth them were dead there. Stand up and watch the whole of that happen. The little 8-year-old, 9-year-old children them. The police them have them there. A watch when them do all of that. You know, see? And you know, we can broaden out the story more, but we don't want to sound like say, the argument is how brutal, cold-blooded, and callous the Jamaica police force, the security force is towards them own Jamaican. You know, see, because notwithstanding the facts, well, then them catch a criminal, them kill him. See? A one criminal that you have born 9 little youth where them make stand up and watch them do that. So there is no duty of care or no intention of duty of care. See? Right now, out of them 9 little youth, they probably about 1 or 2 of them still alive, Rasta. I don't hope I not mistake it and you know, and yeah, more of them good are alive, but very few of them, Rasta. You know, see it? Because what you think now, the youth them just see the system as totally against them. Nobody, no parents not have to teach them that. Nobody not have to teach them that. It's not a case of them love the dread more than all them that love society or want to play a role in a society. But in a for them little feeble mind, you know, them just see it in a way where it's like it's us against them. You know, see it? Because bad as it be, the dread of somebody where them know. As somebody where them know, where them grow come know and see and know regardless of what him wanted for or whatever. You know, see it? As somebody where them know still, somebody where them know before him get wanted. You know, see it? And police and soldiers see it fit to do them level of damage there, carelessly, without care. For the little toddler them, where they there. So just imagine, that is just a small example of the level of humanity where them guys usually exhibit back in the day when them do them thing before indie come in a play. You know, see it? At the first, me talk about my brethren pan this. And like me said, we have a whole heap of history. But we just give you a brief look in pan in relation to police contribution, knowingly as well. Because again, them not treat the youth, them and talk to the youth, them like say, well then, them little, them don't know what them are do. You're not supposed to do so, we're not do it, and I try coax them with a duty of care. No, them a treat them like say, a them and the wanted man a walk. Like a them and the wanted man a par. You know, see, like if them the little bigger, if at some the police them are going, if you no lucky, you know, so little, and all them way they be a threat. You know, see it? So instantly I create 9 gunmen. 9 gunmen and I try create. Not even try create. While you not claim so when I take out 1. This is how much them boy enjoy them extrajudicial killing the Rasta. You know, see them create more replacement immediately as them claim so them a get rid of 1. You know, see it? Even though me assure you say them not act within the remit of the law either, you know. And them friend we shot the man and the man shoot him back, them a defend. And that was open knowledge. I never know no way to hide. Because like I say, before the man take for him revenge, before the Rasta take for him revenge, the police make him wanted by the mere fact say, and they come like say, if him never go to station, go make that report there, him wouldn't know the atmosphere will develop now between him and the police. Him wouldn't know. You know, see it? So probably would have up on the corner one day, as usual, injured and lame. Police just walk up and take him up. Oh boy, oh you get shot. Somebody hit a rob, you know, bloop, 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 and kill him. Police shoot you. And you will look for, and all them thing there. And use that as a reason for further kill him. All police now have no moral compass. You know, see, the police, them in the 80s and 90s, come to the early 2000s, them, a devil them. Come up to whatever time in the come into force. So, some of the worst evil them could have happened in the ghetto, where motivate criminality And these are things that we have to identify and observe whether a boy want like it or not. You know, see it. You know, they have to please no guy. Where they have to make the youth them observe a level of morality and know so well then life, it name life. Live it. The longer you live it, and the better your chances are. Because there's little and none, particularly in a Jamaica Rasta. You know, see it. So all police, when you come upon yourself, I better you keep quiet. But I feel like you can't come say nothing with shaming or construct what man say for please phone a little sick, twisted, evil mentality and nature. We know uno. You know see it? We know uno. Rasta. Uno don't do it. Don't come over here so come go on like so well then. Yeah. It's laughable. You know see it? It's laughable and more so to a serious time. And the level where the youth them there today a depraved crime, Rasta, is a thing where we draw back pan, and try to balance the youth them. That what they offer. You know see it? Some of them don't like it. Some of them don't like that. Because we are take away the bloodlust. You know see it? We are take away the ingredients. We satisfy on a nasty, sick, twisted thirst. Some of them should have get psychological assessment before you go in a police. You know see it? Nowhere else in the world you could have go operate so Rasta amongst people. And the maddest thing, no found left Jamaica and go live abroad. No found have to run away and go live abroad. I don't have to moderate and keep that Thursday inside. I don't know. Else not going up at prison, whether on a civilian or police. No found couldn't operate in the capacity of police nowhere else but Jamaica, as a matter of fact. You know see it? Don't come over here so come go on like you burn me. Don't come over here so come look on the people and we are talking about ex-police, all police in a Jamaica. No disrespect, Rasta. I want, regardless of where a man don't know, and the police have got deal with him, it's unlawful the way the police deal with it. And through threat of intimidation and probably threat of life, a lot of people just let it fly. Me see mothers watch them picnic, get Slapweh and just hold her corner and just know say, boy, I saw it go. She can't do nothing. You know see it? I don't feel like certain things they have no contribution to further criminality and lawlessness. One thing that is a deterrent, it have its psychological impact. And you think when you get rid of one, when you create 10. I man give thanks.